How to use a fake camera on Omegle. So, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you're going to basically use a fake camera on Omegle, because a lot of people don't like showing their faces on Omegle, and it makes sense. I'm one of you guys, so let's talk about it. So what you're going to do is we're going to be using OBS, which I am currently using to record right now, but let me show you how you're going to use OBS to actually add a fake camera. So you're going to click on plus here on scenes, and I'm just going to add a tab called Omegle. Now, for this tab called Omegle that we have right now, obviously my screen is being recorded, but for this Omegle tab, what you are going to be doing is you're going to basically come on sources over here. When you're on the Omegle tab, you're going to come on sources, and once you're on sources, you're going to click on the plus icon. And once you click on the plus icon, obviously you're going to go ahead and find window or video capture device. And once you go on video capture device, you can add like fake OBS camera. Okay, you can add something like that, and you're going to click on OK. And then what you're going to do is you can configure video to add something by yourself. And to do that, you can do resolution custom, choose a certain resolution, and then you can capture this audio by adding any certain video format. Or better yet, what you can do is, wait, let me just go ahead and delete this one, remove this. And better yet, what you can do is you can just add an image as a media source. Okay, and let's say I'm going to browse a random certain image, go into my downloads. Let's say we have this image, okay? And obviously for you right now, a certain image might have popped up, but you get the point. That is how we are going to be adding an image. And once you do that, you're going to enable this as your screen recorder. And once you do that, obviously you're going to head over to your Omegle over here, click on it. And once you're choosing your camera, okay, in your camera section, you're going to choose your OBS standard camera. Okay, they're going to give you an option for that. You're going to choose that. And from there on out, you have your fake camera on OBS. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.